Kumshi benta ban wanra ya kejeng shnganya kari, nakaliang ketenat kampo ing kari, kelas dang ya ke program Cyber Commando, kebaningkong jong kari, hapo ke Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, keni kejeng temu galong ban Pynkhlain ya kejeng ya kon Pyrshah, ki kam runar, hapa phaish ke jela Meghalaya, ya ke kunhun baningkong jong ki Cyber Commando, ki balasha hikai kentop ya uwei usop inspector, ubala pendep ya kejeng hikai ban banai, hapo kani ke skim, kadba udi IG CID buat SP cyber kilalik ban syahi kai bekerpang hakaliang ke cyber buat ke information security ha National Police Academy.
So Cyber Commando is an initiative of I4C which aims to create a skilled manpower in cybersecurity domain. So these cyber commandos, there are two levels. One is for the gazetted officers, one for the non-gazetted officers. For the non-gazetted officers, the training is of 6 months in-house in various institutions such as NFSU, IITs, IASCs. For the gazetted officers, the training is conducted at National Police Academy, where the gazetted officers are trained in information security and cyber security. So in the first batch, for non-gazetted officers, one sub-inspector has been trained under the scheme. For gazetted officers, two officers, DIG, CID and SP Cyber have been trained under the scheme. So if you look at the cyber domain, it is an ever-changing and fast-paced domain. The problem that present workforce is facing is that the technology is getting outdated very, very fast. We don't have skilled manpower. That is why the initiative aims that from the existing workforce, they will select certain officers who have technical background and inclination towards this field. These officers will be trained in the field of information security, cyber security by the best of the institutions in the country. For example, the NFSU, National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Delhi and in other places, they are training. IITs, they are training, and National Police Academy, they are training for the gazetted officers. Now these officers are an asset for the government. They can be utilized for either prevention and detection of cybercrime or for enhancing cyber security, information security and protection of our digital infrastructure. So for fighting the rising cyber crimes in Meghalaya, there are multiple initiatives that have been taken by the government. First and foremost, there is a work which is going on to enhance the cyber crime wing into a full-fledged cyber wing, which will take care of not just the prevention detection of cyber crime, but also the cyber security and the protection of citizens in the cyberspace. For that, new manpower have been infused into the system. For example, new post of SP Cybercrime has been created, which I am holding at the present. And we are also in the process of enhancing our cyber forensics lab so that in the investigation, we have the best of the tools available for convicting the criminals. Based on the investigations that we have conducted and the FIRs which have been registered here in Meghalaya, the major pattern is that these criminals, they are not residing in Meghalaya. So considering that we all know policing is a state subject and investigation is the domain of policing, therefore the cyber criminals are also aware that these are the challenges of the police. So therefore they are conducting crimes in such a manner that they are cross-border.